SMART is an acronym for goals that describes 5 essential characteristics for well-structured goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By incorporating these characteristics, you'll be more likely to set and achieve effective goals. Let's talk about each characteristic. The S stands for specific. By setting specific goals, you'll be able to clarify your objectives, focus your efforts, and make significant progress towards achieving your vision. To get specific, we should ask ourselves the 6 W's. The first W is focusing on the who. If it's a team project, think about what teammates you need to accomplish the goal. Think about mentors or coaches that can help you along the way. The second W is focusing on the what. Clearly define what you want to achieve and what actions you will take to achieve it. If you want to lose weight, you might set an objective of losing 12 pounds. You could also specify how you will achieve that by setting a daily calorie limit, such as eating 1,800 calories per day. The third W is focusing on the when. Adding a deadline to your goal creates a sense of urgency, helping you stay accountable and motivated to achieve it within a specific time frame. The fourth W is focusing on the where. Identify the specific locations involved in achieving your goal. Consider the destinations you plan to visit and the necessary logistics to ensure a successful trip, such as transportation, accommodations, and visas. The fifth W is focusing on the which. Identify which potential obstacles and requirements are crucial to achieving your goal. For instance, if you want to lose weight but enjoy snacking, consider solutions like low-calorie, high-fiber snacks to satisfy cravings while staying under your calorie limit. Similarly, if your goal is to get stronger, ask yourself which specific lifts you want to improve, allowing you to focus your efforts and track progress more effectively. The sixth W is focusing on the why. Focusing on your why is about understanding the underlying motivations driving your goal. Reflecting on your why will help you stay motivated and focused, while also ensuring that your goal truly aligns with your values and desires. By connecting with your why, you'll be able to evaluate whether your goal is truly the right fit for you. The M stands for measurable. Making measurable goals helps us measure our progress for achieving the goal. If you want to lose weight, you could use various types of measurement, including body fat percentage, weight, or waistline measurements. It's important to select the best type of measurement for your goal. Sometimes a perfect measurement isn't available. For example, sometimes the most accurate body fat percentage scans are more expensive than more accessible, cheaper options. Try to select the best measurement you can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Finally, use these measurements to set milestones. This will help you break your goal down into smaller, achievable goals to help you work your way up to the final goal. The A stands for achievable. Be ambitious, but also focus on making your goal achievable by setting reasonable goals and looking for resources and skills that may help you achieve your goal. If you want to get stronger, consider getting a gym membership. If you want to get better grades, consider signing up for tutoring. In summary, think about how to put yourself in the best position to achieve your goal. The R stands for relevant. Make sure that your goal aligns with your broader vision. Let's say your core vision is to become a better soccer player. A goal to run a marathon may be somewhat relevant, as it improves cardiovascular endurance. However, a goal to increase your sprint speed by 10% in the next 3 months may be more relevant to your broader vision, depending on the position on the field that you play. This example illustrates the importance of ensuring your goals align with your core vision and priorities. The T stands for time-bound. Setting a timeline for our goals gives us a sense of urgency and makes us accountable to accomplish our goal. Set a target for when you want to accomplish the goal. In addition, also set deadlines for milestones to keep you on track as you progress. Remember to make your timeline realistic and flexible, allowing for adjustments as needed.
Cruise Coaching. Your best self is one sailing away.